Hey guys, so today is a very important day. We all know that we call it Teachers Day. So I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers Day. So on this day, I have came up with a very important decision that till date in this channel I used to share a lot of content, especially some are related to various topics. Okay, so there was no particular niche. So finally today I have fixed that from the next time I will share videos only to a specific niche. So what is that niche? So basically I am from humanities background and I have worked almost 2 years as a freelancer during the COVID time when no school, no colleges and online exams were there. So it's a lot of free time over there. So I have learned something new in the online world, how money can be generated sitting at home. So basically I have decided that this channel is will be wholly focused on the students of humanities background, right? And I will guide or share my experience, my steps, what are the steps I was followed or I am still following and I will follow in future, and definitely I will update all about those things. So basically I will guide you to do online freelancing, and that's it for today. And this was an update from my end in this beautiful day. So I hope you guys will like my upcoming videos because I have lot to share with you, right? I will enjoy to share with you. So please consider subscribing this channel if you are still not subscribed to it, because my 90% video watchers are not my subscribers. So please do subscribe. This is my first channel, and in this channel I will not just guide you to do freelancing, but I will tell you, I will guide you how to build various channels, because there are only not just freelancing. You can do, you can grow your own audience, you can monetize your YouTube channel, you can monetize your Instagram page, you can monetize your Facebook page. So all these things, right, online, everything is online, that is there, every opportunity is online, many opportunities are there. So I will update you about those opportunities. For that you can subscribe this channel.